What is a range hood and why do you need one? Today I'll be discussing why we need a range hood in our kitchen and what exactly it is and the different types of range hoods that are out there. If you're buying a new house or remodeling one that you live in currently, there are a few factors to consider when buying a range hood, and that is the cost, the size you'll need, the look, how much power there is, how much noise it'll produce, the vent type and the fan speeds, and how easy it will be to install, if you can do it yourself or have a contractor install it for you. When buying a range hood, you're going to want to think about what type of range hood you'll need. There are a few different types. You have a wall-mounted range hood, which will be mounted against the wall. You have an island-mounted range hood, which is mounted to the ceiling and comes down. You have an under-cabinet range hood, which is mounted beneath cabinetry above a range. There's also an insert range hood or liner, and that would be an insert, basically just the motor housing of a range hood installed into a custom range hood or even into the cabinetry itself. Once you decide what kind of range hood you need, you're going to want to look at your stove and what kind of stove that is. Is it electric, is it dual electric, or is it gas? If the burners on top are gas, you're going to want a more powerful range hood above it. Reason being, when you're burning gas, it's burning off carbon monoxide, and you're going to want to be able to suck all that excess carbon monoxide and heat, grease, and smoke out of the house as fast as possible. So that's why you're going to want a more powerful unit. If you have an electric cooktop or induction stove, you don't need one that's quite as powerful. So lower CFMs, single motor is probably going to be just sufficient enough.